Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Testerup app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Testerup is a platform designed to help users prepare for various competitive exams by providing practice tests, mock exams, and detailed performance analysis. The app covers a wide range of subjects and exam types, with features like timed tests, progress tracking, and personalized study plans. Users can attempt quizzes on the go and get instant feedback to identify strengths and weaknesses. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is user-friendly and mostly stable, with a clean interface and smooth navigation. Users appreciate the variety of test materials and the ability to customize practice sessions according to their needs. The detailed analytics help learners focus on areas needing improvement. Notifications and reminders keep users motivated to study regularly. That said, it's not perfect. Some users mention occasional glitches during test attempts, and a few feel the free content is limited compared to the premium subscription. The app could also improve by adding more interactive learning resources beyond tests. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like. It helps a lot. In summary, Testerup is worth using if you want a flexible and comprehensive test preparation app with useful performance tracking. It's especially good for exam candidates looking to practice efficiently on their mobile devices. However, those expecting extensive free content or advanced learning tools might want to explore alternatives. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.